Hello, everybody. So I wanted to do a follow-up on the video that I have right up here. This is where I discovered a problem. And this particular video that's playing on the screen right now, this is where I am trying to figure out what's going on, why, if it's, as you can kind of see with the mouse click right here, it's coming out of all over the place. The air is coming out cold. But yet, if I press the defrost button, it'll come out of the dash. If I press the vent button out of the dash, it'll come out actually from the feet, and so on and so forth. So, kind of to follow up on that is I went to a mechanic and he gave me a part number that he said would be very difficult to find. So I was told that this is an HVAC control module. And yeah, so this is the part number. This is what I was told I need. Let's start looking. Now I got something interesting right up here, so let's do this. Not sure if that's the right one. Okay. Oh, something came up on Amazon. And something came up on eBay. RockAuto, is that the right one? Yeah, something like that. I tried looking for it earlier, but I figured I wouldn't spend too much time because I definitely wanted to make a video on that. So it looks like this part is out there, but I still don't know what it is. AliExpress, so that's interesting. Parts, control assembly. All right, let's start looking. No, you don't have to know my location. Okay, Motorcraft blower motor resistor. 1-year replacement of defective part number. Well, that's not the right part number. It's not what I need. I mean, it looks interesting, but why does it tell me? Why did it even show up? It's a totally different part number. I guess let's try to do Control F, and let's try to do 3W1Z. Yeah, so you can kind of see that I don't know why that showed up. That's not what I need. All right, wrong. Let's look right here. What is this? Okay, so look, you got 3W1Z-19E624-AA. Control. Okay, so notes. HVAC blower motor control unit. HVAC control. Okay, and it does look like it will fit my 2006 Lincoln Town Car. All right, so let's read. What is it that we have here? Brand Ford, 4 pounds. Okay, for warranty. No, not a lot of, no reviews. No, nothing. Now, the mechanic said that this is a very expensive part. I mean, this doesn't look too expensive. See more product details? Yeah, that's it. That's all it gives me. But the part number does match, so I will, okay, so I will pin this one. All right, 10 left. Free delivery. Okay, well, this is not too bad. Now, granted that I don't know what about the labor. That's why I wanted to do this exploration first, bring everything to my mechanic, and then ask to see if that's something that he can help me with. How much is this, get a second opinion type of deal. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff RockAuto. Now this looks like that. $70.79. Can we view this? What is this info button? Okay, so this looks the same. All right. That's weird. I can't point to zoom, but I can't actually zoom in the whole thing. Okay, so here we go. Some sort of a plug. Keep in mind, guys, I don't know what this is. I'm not a mechanic. A lot of you are a lot more mechanically, better than me. All right, ceramic coated steel printed circuit board designed for durability and longevity. Thermal fuse equipped, thicker trace width than OE. Okay, so something better than the original, huh? $70. Okay, let's pin that. Now it looks like a bunch of other parts that kind of came up. Part number. Okay, so it auto-filled that. It's a heating and air conditioner. Um, okay, looks like a bunch of stuff. Ultra power. Yeah, I don't know what any of this stuff means. But this does look like the same, and it looks like they have some other stuff in here, but it's weird with the same part number and different pricing, so I'm not exactly sure. All right, well, let's click on here. And if you guys know anything about this, please comment as far as what's going on. If you've experienced stuff like that, where is this part even located? Is this underneath the dash, or is this somewhere else? Is it under the hood? No clue. All right. Well, I'm not gonna select this. All right, let's get rid of that. Let's go eBay. January Ford blower motor control module. Okay, so it is the right part number. I mean, it's a lot more expensive here for some reason. This listing ended. All right, so then what if we just try and search here? Can anything show up? Okay, this looks a little different, but it does say new blower motor resistors. I'm looking at this paper right here to make sure that car heater, blower motor resistor, but that's, I don't know, is it the same as blower motor resistor? Oh, okay, so this is what it is. So it's called, well, now here it's called control, blower motor control unit, and here, whoa, where am I? I'm lost. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. When it comes to eBay, I've had some bad luck with eBay selling and buying. I know sometimes it can work out, but yeah, maybe eBay's not the best. What the heck is that? Oh, no, this is interesting. Let's see. Number 12. So, okay, not really sure what that is, but HVAC blower motor control module. Yeah, so anything with the description control module, that's what the mechanic wrote to me. Now, it's called discontinued product. It's not something I want to hear or see, but the part number does match. So, obviously, I don't know what the replacement would be, but I'm also surprised. Like they don't have them in stock. Okay, I know the whole car is discontinued, but there should be some sort of a, backup. This doesn't say much. Make sure this part fits. Lincoln, town car, 06. Okay, this will fit. So it's, once again, it's kind of hard. Like, how can you buy a part that just, it's like, what is that? It just says control. Now, here you can see a lot more expensive stuff. But the part number 3W1Z-19E624-AA. Okay. Now here it says 1 pound. In Amazon it said 4 pounds. Hi. You can select your vehicle. Okay. Part was perfect. This got my part right in the first time. Shipping was reasonably good. Okay. Couldn't find the left rear brake back plate anywhere else. Okay, that's not what I need. All right, once again, questionable. Okay, this kind of looks like something that I would need. Although I'm questioning once again this price. AliExpress. HVAC blower motor control module for Ford Country Squire L Crown Victoria. So again, part number matches, but shipping to United States, estimated delivery September 8th, so it's a month. I never used Ali. I've heard of the website, but it's again questioning this price, although so far I like it the best. Oh God, why does everybody want to know my location? Here's another $132, a little bit different pictures, also AliExpress, but that looks like that and like that. So maybe, but at the same time, okay, here shipping is $28 and delivery in a month, probably not a good thing. All right, the last but not least, This product is no longer available. Okay, and then I have no idea what is this. Some sort of a gasket, but then they have some sort of a breakdown here, although, okay, there it is. But yeah, it looks like it's number 12, so, but yeah, not sure. All right, so based on so far in my findings, this is it or that. I mean, I love Amazon. I'm a big fan, buy a lot of crap. Uh, don't mind paying this as long as, replacement cost to do this would be, reasonable, somewhere within maybe a couple $100 or, but once again, I don't know what am I getting myself into here. So, all right, I'll print this out. So here's a wrap. I'm gonna print it out, show it to my mechanic, get a second opinion, and we'll see you next time.